This is how to renew SSL certificate in InfinityFree. From your dashboard, select an account, then select a domain you want to renew the SSL, then scroll down and go to SSL certificates, then click Add SSL certificate, request free SSL certificate, then select a provider. We'll use Let's Encrypt and just click Read Order. Then just install SSL certificate automatically. Then you have renewed your SSL certificate. And be sure to set this one on so that you'll receive an expiration reminders. So this is how to renew SSL certificates in InfinityFree.